Hi guys, I'm Jimmy, and today we're going to show you guys 4 ways to play tag. The first game is infection. To play this game, you're going to have one person, that's it. And then whoever they tag will also be it. So if I tag Landon here, he'll be it with me, and then we can go tag everybody else. The second tag game is freeze tag. When you tag them, they're frozen. And for them to get unfrozen, someone else who's not it has to tag them. And your goal is to tag everyone and freeze them all. And the third game is everybody's it. And it is what it sounds like. Everyone's gonna be it, and whoever you tag, that person's gonna be out. And the last game is just tag. So what you do is tag someone, they're it, you try to run away from them, and they try to get someone else. And that was 4 ways to play tag. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to see more.